You and me, summer breeze,
How old are you, Chance, yesterday?
6,
Today?
7, 6, 7.
sunset stains, purple haze, laughing till we couldn't breathe. Swore we'd always stay the same.
Happy birthday, Chance.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you sa nag-greet sa akin. Bye.
Di mo pa nga alam.
Go. Happy birthday, Chance! We wish you a very fun and happy birthday filled with smiles and laughter. May you enjoy learning, playing, and celebrating your special day. We hope all your birthday wishes come true. Have a wonderful birthday, Chance!
Happy birthday, Chance! Sana hanggang pangsakit natin, friends pa rin tayo. God bless you! Happy birthday, Chance! Stay kind and happy. Thank you for our friendship. Happy birthday again, Chance!
Left on the center. Perfect punch. Just what that guy's been trying to do all night long. He finally landed.
Happy birthday,
Good
Chance!
job.
Happy birthday, Chansey. Always love your mom. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Chance! Enjoy your day! Yay!
Hi.
Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Chance.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chance. And when I go to the Philippines, I'm going to play with you. Happy birthday. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Chance. We miss you and see you soon.
Bye.
Love you.
Hi, Chance. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo at lagi. And mag-aral mabuti. At sana lumaki kang good boy palagi sa mami mo.
Happy birthday, Chance. Hi, Chance. Happy birthday.
Hi, Chance. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Chance! Chance! Ang gwapo ng apo ko. Pengeng handa.
Happy 7th birthday, Chance! You are growing now into such a loving and bright child. Your mom's strength, love, and sacrifices are shaping you into someone truly special. May you always feel safe to dream and brave enough to try. Again, happy birthday, Chance! Enjoy your day.
Hi, Chance! Happy birthday! Happy 7th birthday! Greetings from your favorite ninang to her favorite inaanak. Secret lang natin yun. So today, we are celebrating you on the last day of your 7th year. So bukas, February 11, is the first day of your 8th year already. Can you believe that? So I want you to make the most out of your birthday. Kasi I heard today din ang flight niyo papunta Hong Kong. Good job, Mami. Great job. Chance, alam mo ba? I've seen you grow since nasa tiyan ka pa lang ng mami mo. So, until ngayon na 7 years old ka na. Alam mo ba, dati hindi ka pa marunong maglahat. Before I move on sa birthday message ko sa'yo, gusto ko nang sabihin kung ano yung ireregalo ko sa'yo. Alam ko ang favorite color mo at yun ang ireregalo ko sa'yo. So ngayon, kailangan mong sabihin kung ano yung favorite color mo para alam kung tama ako. Okay, so, Chance, what is your favorite color? In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, tama ako. So, tama ako ng sagot. Dahil ang favorite color mo ay blue-green. So, 7 years old ka na, di ba? Isang piraso lang bibigay ko. Aanhin mo naman yung 7 piraso. Eh, kumpleto naman bayad mo sa tuition fee. So, Chance Ethan, my birthday message to you. Meron tong 4 things na I want you to remember. Okay, so I need you to listen very carefully sa sasabihin ko. Kasi gusto ko siyang tumatak sa puso at isip mo. Can I get a yes? Okay, very good. Number 1 is always listen to mommy. Do you know why you have to listen to her? Because your mom loves you more than anyone in this world. Everything she tells you to do, eat your food, kumain ka na, maligo ka na, that's what's best for you. Appreciate her, say thank you to her, say I love you. Alam ko hindi naman siya nagkulang dyan, pero I'm just reminding you. Number 2, be kind. Be kind to your friends, your teachers, and even dun sa mga batang wala masyadong friends. Being kind makes you a real superhero. Number 3, don't be afraid to try. If merong isang bagay na sa tingin mong nakakatakot gawin, like a new game, new sport, or a new lesson, or even yung mga big rides dyan sa Disneyland, subukan mo muna bago mo sabihin hindi mo kaya. Okay? Last but not the least, always talk to me. If malambot ka, masaya ka, or may mga bagay na hindi ka naiintindihan, or gusto mo lang makipaglaro, I'm always here for you, Chance, okay? I'm a part of your family. I'm a part of your team. So, ano nga ulit yung 4 things na yon? The first one, always listen to mommy. Number 2, be kind. Number 3, don't be afraid to try. And lastly, always talk to Ninang. Always remember that. I am so blessed to be your Ninang kasi watching you grow has taught me a lot of lessons. And that's one of my biggest blessings. Stay sweet, stay funny, and stay healthy. I love you so much na para bang anak din kita. Enjoy Disneyland, birthday boy, and don't forget may pasalubong, okay? Happy 7th birthday from your favorite Ninang, Ninang Oseng. Love you.
Hello, Chance. I love you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, my dear Apo. Hoping na you will become a good, happy, and intelligent boy someday. I miss you and I love you very much. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. And I'm always hoping na magiging healthy ka lagi, na you will enjoy your day every day. And always remember na I love you and your mommy. Love you very much, Apo. Hoping sa school mo, mag-aaral ka mabuti, and lagi kang mag-iingat para you will be free from all dangers. Always remember na you have to love your mommy and you have to respect her all the time. Study very well. I love you very, very much, Apo. Again, happy birthday. I love you, Apo.
Happy birthday, Chance!
Happy birthday, Chance! Enjoy kayo dyan sa Hong Kong. Mag-aral mabuti at saka laging magpa-pray, magpakabait ka. Love you!
Happy birthday, Chance. Good boy. Saka sana bago na yung teeth mo. Okay. Happy birthday. Yay.
Happy birthday, Chance. Always remember makikinig kay Mami. Huwag mga away. Always remember na sobrang swerte mo sa mami mo, na love ka, parati kang gifted, parating meron lahat ng bagay na gusto mo. Kaya remember, always be thankful.
Also, Chance, happy birthday from Tita Casey. Sana mag-aral ka mabuti, makinig ka sa mami mo. Every time na mag-aaral ka, dapat makikinig ka pa rin sa mami mo para sa future mo rin yan, di ba? Gusto mo Ano ba gusto mo? Maging police ka ba? Astronaut or what? Also, mag-enjoy ka rin sa pupunta niya ni mami mo, and lagi kayo mag-iingat and always be a good boy. Happy birthday!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi, Chance. Your mom reached out to me and told me it's your 7th birthday. I would like to greet you happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your birthday, baby.